A lot of this rally being driven by PSU banks. We've seen them gain, and as Tamanna was pointing out, we've also seen some infrastructure stocks gain. So do you think that perhaps, that's behind this rally? How would you see it?
Yeah, I think it's the RBI was the catalyst for the rally, and PSU banks would have made treasury gains. The 10-year yield came sub 7% yesterday post this announcement. So quite clearly, PSU banks are beneficiaries from this, and they have, we saw the price action as well coming in. And as Mihir pointed out, banks have been underperforming. Banks have been under-owned as well, and it was a catch-up rally as well. But the trigger was the RBI move of 2.1 lakh crores.
Ajay, we were speaking about the election uncertainty just a few days ago, and we had the opportunity to speak after the last phase of the election as well. I'm just wondering if that mood has changed. Has the market sort of put that uncertainty behind it? And I can see Gurmeet smiling, so I'll come to you on that as well. But just let me get a take from Ajay on it first.
Well, I think the uncertainty was more engineered by social media and the narratives being set. I think more on the ground, there is no correlation, for example, Tamanna, in terms of the voting percentage and the ultimate results. A voters' turnout is not something that is statistically significant as a predictor of either party, benefiting. Second, if you see the last time around, the biggest survey of 7 lakh people had shown that 45% of the Indian electorate are swing voters who decide in the last 2-3 days or on the day itself where they're going to vote, and 37% are voting for the prime ministerial candidate. 3% of voters are really influenced by the manifestos. So I think that gives a very clear, broad hint of where the elections would have been going. But given the kind of false narratives and the amount of money being spent by every party, you really didn't know what to believe. I don't think the market has a clearer idea. It's just that today you are less far away from March 16th or April 19th to June 4th. So you're saying, oh, thank God, it's a matter of now 10 more days and we'll have the results out. Might be that as well, but I think it was more the RBI trigger, and that led to some short covering, and that cascaded on its own, and we hit all-time highs. The advanced decline ratio is not very good. The broader markets are not rallying so fast. I think people are taking some money at every gain in the market. So it's not like it's a very secular up move. I think this was a triggered rally based on a catalyst coming in and then shorts getting squeezed. That's how best I would describe it. I don't think we had better information on the elections today to have made a decision like this.